Welcome guys, how are you today? Our topic is the doll craft. You are watching on the screen different shapes of the dolls and different crafts, heart shape crafts. You are made in at home with the beads and wool and different items at home. You are watching on the frog making at home. You are watching a doll made with the wool. Uh, you are watching another doll made with the strings and wool. You are watching another wall, red and white combination. uh, you are watching the two pouches, different colorful shape. You are watching the ladybug made with the woolen strings. You are watching two dolls, black and blue color. You are watching two kitties, different color. You are watching that three dolls, different colors, blue, pink, purple. You are watching the doll attached with the chain. You are watching a small puppy made with the handcraft. You are watching different color and different shapes and dolls. You are watching and other shape of dolls. You are watching two dolls keychain, handmade, and you can make in at home. You are watching hand ring, doll shape. You are watching two beautiful colorful dolls, pink and blue shade. You are watching two pouches you can made at home. You are watching five dolls, colorful. You are watching cute two dolls, handmade, hand stitch. You are watching five doll kitchen. You are watching four colorful crawling dolls. You are watching another kitchen wall doll. Mm, you are watching two dolls making with the string and flowers, cute. You are watching four dolls stitch at home. You are watching many dolls, different colorful. You are watching three dolls, purple, blue, and light blue. You are watching four different colors doll, beautiful. You are watching another sample of doll made with the strings. You are watching earrings, doll shape, beautiful. You are watching another keychain, dolly keychain, beautiful.